Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, just taking off my good friend Whoopi, or Laurent as we know him on YouTube and elsewhere. Okay, what we've got here is we've got Tesla coil, and this is essentially a Slayer exciter. That's a tip 41C transistor sitting there with a whopping heat sink on it. It's running at the moment, we're running at, there you go, there's the amperage for you. And we're running it off this old antique power supply, which is a little bit weird in that the 12 volt DC, I've been told, is actually a combination of DC and AC. Anyway, I get a much better bang for my buck from that power supply than I do, say, from this old battery over here. Right, so what are we doing? Well, we've got the Tesla coil running, we've got the Slayer exciter running, we've got the whole circuit exciting. Over here we have a 40 watt 240 volt lamp, and this arrangement here is basically a capacitor. We've got two plates of hard drive and separated by a piece of glass, and if I lift that up you can see that goes out. So we've got a plate under here, and if you can see here, I don't know if you can pick that up, but you can see there now there's plasma running. When I drop that back down, plasma disappears and we get the nice incandescence. Now, just a couple of interesting things. I've got the output from the coil running into the negative of an ignition coil, and then from the casing of the ignition coil we're taking a lead which is going to the top of our capacitor. Then from the bottom of the capacitor we're going to one terminal of our lamp, and then from the other terminal of the lamp I'm going to an actual ground, which is a stake, a galvanized metal stake buried 2 meters into the ground. But if I then put this on the earth, we see it glow higher, and current draw does increase as well. But that's just some incandescent lining of a 240 volt globe, nowhere near half brightness, let alone full brightness. But I just wanted to try this. I haven't been successful with Whoopi's setup, which is to take this lead here and put it back to the start of the Tesla coil over here. But I'm pretty impressed with the incandescent lighting. Having said that, we can actually get this lamp glowing ouch, just burnt myself. As well. Now that's a 25 watt. That earth is disconnected from the power supply. 240 volt lamp, and it's just going to ground, and we can see there that the current draw has dropped. If we put this one back to the earth, or the negative of the power supply, we get a slightly more bright. This one will actually work even if I disconnect the earth altogether, and you can see it's gone out there. Now it's come back up. Oops. It's gone out completely there. We've only got one wire connected to our capacitor. But if I was to take this lead, which is the main lead off the top of the coil, ow. Okay, here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect one lead over here. I'm just going to take this quickly, connect it over here. Okay, so that's one wire lighting of the same globe, or the same lamp. The current draw is actually lower. So we've got the top of the coil going to one terminal of this lamp, and then the other side is that lead there, and that's one wire lighting. Interestingly, I've only found this one wire incandescent lighting work with this particular type of lamp, a bayonet cap lamp, which is very common in Australia. So something to do with the way that it's designed. I can't make that happen with these types of lamps, which are Edison screw type, only the bayonet cap type. There you go. Thought some of you may find that interesting. Thanks very much. Bye.